You are going to talk about culturally and linguistically responsive practices. Highlight for us just a few of the key features you're going to address.
I know in general we talk a lot about dynamic assessment and how standardized assessments aren't necessarily the best fit for some of our kids. But I think one thing we don't really talk about is code switching and how children use both languages, how they integrate both languages when they're communicating. And I think oftentimes people think that code switching might be a sign of a disorder or that children are confused. But what we know in the literature is that code switching might actually be a marker of linguistic competence, right? And that children integrate their languages very similarly to their typically developing peers. But that doesn't mean that there aren't these interesting, perhaps qualitative differences in how children with language disorders code switch. So I'll be talking more about what that might look like and what the current trends are in the research related to how children code switch, because all kids code switch, bilinguals code switch. So learning more about what that looks and also what the research is finding.